I'm Mariana and welcome to Creation Odyssey. So today guys, I am super excited to finally open these. I have been waiting for months upon months for these nendos. I'd like to introduce to you guys the cutest Nendoroids I own, Riko and Reg. These two are from an anime called Made in Abyss, guys. While they are super cute and sweet, the anime, I won't give too much detail, but it's kind of like if you've seen Promised Neverland, you're like, yeah, these kids are super cute. And then you're like, holy, what are these kids going through? So either way, I'm obsessed. I'm desperately waiting for a second season. I want to get into the manga. I think like volume 6 is out in the US, maybe volume 7. Not too sure, but I desperately want to get into it, but I only have much time to read so many manga, and I'm reading like 5 or 6, 7, 8 who knows how many different manga right now. So it's one of those mangas that's like, when it's complete, I'll finally be done with something else, and then I'll just invest in all of them all at once. Anyways, let's get started, guys. So these two are super cute. Now I've already gotten a warning from a friend that's in a group with me. Oops, sorry, getting all over the place. I already got a warning from a friend in the group with me that there might be a defect with Reg. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these guys up and let's just gaze at their cuteness. I'm very, very, very excited. So let's go ahead and open up Reg. He was the one that, might have the issue. So let's go ahead and tear off the Band-Aid. Let's just do this thing, right? Once again, I pre-ordered these on Ami. I'm gonna have to double check after I'm done filming this whether or not they're still available, but pretty sure they are. So here we go. Here's Regu. Open him up. Isn't he adorable? I won't spoilers because I don't know if everybody's seen the anime because it's just, it's been out for a while, so if you haven't seen it, I don't know what you're doing with your life, but you definitely it's definitely a must watch. It's a total must watch. It's on Amazon Prime, I do believe. It might also be on High Dive. I don't know. So, did I get him on there right? There we go. There he is in his little body. And it's got his little helmet. Oh, I love his little helmet. So cute. I actually need to rewatch the anime. I haven't watched it in a hot minute, but there he is. There he is. Isn't that adorable, guys? I think that's super cute. So he's got his hat. He's got a couple of different hands here. He's got his extending hand. I forget how this goes. Oh, this goes on his hair. And this goes right here on him. His other little part. Oops. There we go. So there's that. Yeah. There we go. Put him down for a second. So he does come with 2 other faceplates. Drunk. He does come with 2 other faceplates. I think all the faces are really good for him. This bashful face that if you have watched the anime, Riko, bless her soul, she is so sweet, so adorable, so clueless, and she has this poor little boy blushing constantly. It's nothing but comedy. And I like his little serious face, when Riko is, in trouble or in danger. So that's all him and all of his accessories. Oh, wait. So his arms move. That's really good. That's cool. He's got a little more of a robotic arm. Makes sense that this doesn't move because he is obviously he's a little bit of a robot boy. So that makes sense that they move like this. I like that. I'm glad they're not just stiff. There we go. All right, let's open Riko, yeah? So I love this little girl's, like, she's just fearless. I don't know. She's fearless and clueless at the same time. Like, she's just curious. She's just, I mean, so stuck in the adventure and the moment that she has to have, like, a character like Reg with her. It's awesome. But either way, she is absolutely adorable. So here she is. Pop her open. They keep making the things to open the nendos more and more different, like the packaging. Like, this one's super long, but the Harry Potter dolls were super short, and I don't know. I don't know what the packaging business is going on, but here's Riko. There we go. And oh, she's got her little glasses. Oh, are they gonna... Hold on, technical difficulties. Be right back. Okay, so finally got all that situated and figured out. She does have her little glasses that come out right here. So there she is. Love her little glasses. She's adorable. There we go. This anime is so good, guys. Let me tell you how good this anime is. I binge watched this in like one evening. Like, put my tiny person down to bed and was kind of like, ugh, I don't know what to do with life. I'm not tired, but I'm tired. And then I just like started watching it and like could not go to sleep until it was done. I like literally binged all 12 episodes. It was ridiculous. Usually don't do that kind of stuff. So she's got her 2 face plates, and this is classic Riko, because she is always starry-eyed and excited about pretty much everything she finds. The whole world is just this giant, amazing mystery to this sweet girl, and it's awesome. Her character is amazing. I love, love, love her character. She's got her little hat. Here as well, and doop. It's her little explorer's hat. You know what would have been super cool if they actually made this light up? Reg too. That would have been super cool if they actually made those light up. I wonder if that's something I could... Nah, I'm not going to ruin it. So, and she's got 4 different arm positions that are like stiff, and one like kind of bend leg position. I think it's pretty like standard when it comes to nendos. She's got her red whistle, and I noticed that Reg didn't have his red whistle. So, which I do believe, somebody quote me if I'm wrong, but he gets a red whistle, doesn't he? I can't remember. It's been a hot minute. I should have watched the anime before I did this video so I could like refresh myself. But I was too excited. I wanted to open these right away. So here she is. Let's put them side by side and talk about them. All right, so I've got Riko and Reg in classic looks. I really, really like these nendos. These are actually probably my only 2 Nendoroids that I will not be turning into dolls. Reason being, not so much because of not being able to recreate outfits, but just because of Riko's body. I think it would be a lot of surgery, basically. A lot of doll surgery in there to get his like special joints and everything in there, and then his legs, his pants. Well, his pants are just a little poofy, so that's just like poofy pants and everything like that. Doing Riko as a doll would be fun, and maybe even just doing the 2 of them candid, you know, maybe just doing them as like 2 like school kids might be fun. But I don't plan on specifically making them into dolls and keeping them in that form like I do my other nendos. So that's that for them. I really adore them. I think they're fun. The defect that was brought up to me, I don't know if it was this fabulous little piece right here, this little buckle piece, just like popped off, and it actually looks like it's been chewed on. So I don't know what happened with that, but it goes right here, and it just kept popping off, and I was like, I'm not gonna deal with that. I don't know. Peg system, his little stand into his back, was actually kind of difficult because if you can see, it goes through his cape. So I do think that maybe they should have done his cape in like a cloth versus doing completely vinyl, the ABS vinyl plastic stuff. I think that would have been a lot easier to work with. But I mean, it's not difficult. It's just, you know, one of those things that like if you go to display him, it might take you a minute. Might take you a minute. Not the end of the world though. So that's it for Riko and Reg. If you have not watched Made in the Abyss, guys, you gotta do it. Find a way, legally find a way. Like I said, I think it's on High Dive. It's definitely still on Amazon Prime. So I think they've got like a 14-day trial thing that they do for free. Give yourself 2-week time. Binge it. Just do it. Do yourself the favor. Watch this anime. That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like and comment down below what you think of Riko and Reg. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notifications when there are new videos. Till next time.